Yo, what's going on, folks, man? Welcome back to the set where I am your boy, Money Matt. And today, bruh, this shoe is not for me, right? This is for the wife. We have July birthdays, and the birthstone of the month of July happens to be rubies. So Nike decided to bless me, or bless my wife, with an early birthday gift. So with that being said, bro, what we have here? We have the Jordan 1 High OG rubies for the women. Now, this is a pleasant surprise because I knew when my wife seen them, she said, "Hey, I want those. Bet money, your birthday's coming up. Here you go," right? And it kind of goes in with a tradition that we have. I always try to buy her ruby jewelry because, again, it's the month of July's birthstone. She's a July baby. I'm a July baby. I ain't wearing no rubies though. So, yeah. So, with all that being said, man, the box was pleasantly surprising, bro, when I, opened the box from Nike. And yeah, it was definitely a welcome. I guess my wife actually uses the boxes. I don't. I normally trash them because I'm not reselling them. If I have boxes, it's because I don't have enough of these to put them in there. So the box tag reads as such: Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, varsity red, black, white. But there's difference in this varsity red. Again, we said they were rubies, right? But look at them, bro. I know it's different, but these are really, really nice. And the way everybody was going crazy over the Wizard of Oz dunks that came out and they had the ruby texture on them, not like the ones they actually released, people were going nuts over those. So Jordan Brand decided to give us these that actually look like a ruby. Yo, these are crazy, man. I don't care what you say, bro. These are absolutely fire for the wife, for the ladies, if you know what I mean. So the materials on here, I had a little trepidation as normal when you talk about buying a sneaker with a texture on it like this, but it's very, very done well because the Jumpman logo here, the wings logo, it's popping out. It's like it was just placed on there. You can see that adds a little definition to the sneaker. Now when you talk about the texture here on the side, it's actually smooth to touch, which I did. Again, I had a little trepidation about this initially because I was like, that's not gonna look good. But once I got them in hand and actually took a look at them, these are actually pretty good. Like, it's different. Okay, it's a Jordan 1, that's fine. The wife ain't caught up in all the hype shit anyway. She just like sneakers that look good and things that happen to be her favorites. Rubies are her favorites. It's her birth month. She like Jordan 1s. Match made in heaven. Now, had this been a low, oh my gosh, she would have been wearing them joints to work the next day. And her birthday ain't even here yet. But I'm digressing. Back to the sneaker. The toe box area is nice and soft. Again, you got that ruby looking texture here. And again, man, it is smooth to touch. It's not stiff leather. They actually executed very, very well on these. And yeah, there's not a lot else to say, but these are nice. And of course, you got the leather hang tag there that the women tend to always get, and we don't really get a lot of them. But you got the leather hang tag here. You got the nylon tongue, the red Nike Air stitched in there. Yeah, the red outsole. No sale on this shoe whatsoever. We got a white midsole. So, bruh, I haven't seen any quality control issues on this sneaker at all. So that's, again, a welcome plus. But the price at $180 though is a bit stiff. Nike needs to chill on these prices, bruh. Yeah, we know this, but all we gotta do is stop buying. But the wife had to have these, so I had to get them for her. So you got me that time, Nike, but best believe if I see them on sale within the next 30 days, I'm calling customer service and I'm getting my refund. You feel me? But back to the shoe. And there's an added bonus, bro. The shoe being as fire as it is, it comes with an extra set of ruby red laces. And they got the sparkle to them. Check them out. Let's see. Get your ugly face out the camera, boy. Yeah. These are actually gonna go hard in this shoe. And I didn't think they were gonna come with an extra set of laces, nor did the wife. So when she unboxed them and she seen the extra set of laces, it was, yeah, I think she's gonna go with these laces instead of the black, or she might just do like I do and one of each, but she ain't that bold, and that's okay. But that's all we got for these, man. These are a pleasant surprise. Didn't expect a lot out of these. I just knew the color was what it was. So yeah, so if you have a wife, spouse, hell, if you just like rubies and you got a small foot, these didn't come in extended sizes. You might want to go check these out, bro. The pictures really don't do them any justice, bro. They are actually pretty dang fire, if you ask me and my wife, because she absolutely loves them. So, but that's all I got, man, for this video today, man. Yeah, I want to check these out, bro. These is all right right here. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, these will score you some brownie points if you feel what I'm saying. That's all I got for you, man. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important the rest of my day, as you should as well. Don't forget, please hit that like and subscribe button. We are on our way to 10K subs. Bruh, I couldn't thank you enough. If you've already subscribed, thanks for hanging in there with your boy, man. We trying to do something special here on the set, but we don't normally follow the hype. We actually kind of buck the hype. So, yep. But that's all I got for you, man. I'm gonna get on out of here, folks. Peace.